Hi, this is Ron, and welcome to your dream home apartment. Hi, this is Ron again at Alta Brighton Park Maintenance, and I've got another quick tip for you. This is the one we've been waiting on for a while. It's about the garbage disposal.
The garbage disposal isn't working, so let's make sure that it's turned off, and we'll pull this splash guard out. We'll look down and see if there's anything causing it to be jammed up. Okay, now that we've got our splash guard back in, let's take a look underneath the sink. Okay, now we're underneath the kitchen sink here, looking at the garbage disposal. First thing you want to check is where it's plugged into. Make sure it's plugged in, and it's also on a GFI. Make sure that GFI is not tripped, and reset it if it is. Okay, next thing you need to do, we'll take a look at the garbage disposal, and we'll see there's a red reset button near the bottom. So we'll just go ahead and push that reset button in, and it clicked, so everything should be fine. So let's go see if it's worked. Okay, we're back up here. Let's turn some water on. Always run water when you're running the garbage disposal. There we go. It's working like a charm. Okay, that's all there is to it. I hope this quick tip really helped, and we'll see you soon.